In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove recently played songs on Spotify. Now, all of the songs that you play on Spotify will be displayed on top, which will say recently played. Now, there is no option to remove it, but what you can do is you can turn on a few settings to hide the songs that you play from other people. Firstly, from the home screen of Spotify, tap on the gear icon or the settings icon on the top right. And from here, scroll down. And under social, you'll have an option of private sessions. Here it says start a private session to listen anonymously. You can toggle this option on. Now what this does is other people would not be able to see. It will still be visible on your account. So that's the only thing that you can do in order to remove or hide recently played songs on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today, and thanks for watching.